What they have is very limited. Some of the material is outdated and then heavy and then cumbersome. They cannot, effectively use it. My name is Byungseok Yoo. I'm do good by creating 3D printing material, tactile material for visually impaired students. These are the 3D printers that we are using right now. So the 3D printers are printing out the braille tiles right now. You can see there is some English letters. So we have around 102 braille tiles to cover all the English literacy right now. It all starts from my wife. Her first job was at the local elementary school, and her first student was a blind student. So it was a really difficult to translate the academic contents to the blind student by verbally only. So she asked me to print out really simple things to help her student. That was the starting point. And then I applied because during the time I found out there is, the Duke Campus Fund opportunity. I applied it and then I got the fund. There is a huge need. Right now I'm working with the vision program in the public school systems. P.G. County Public School vision program, and then Howard County Public School, and then Montgomery County Public School system. They love it. I think general special education teachers want to have as many material as possible for their students because they do not know whether they are going to use it or not. But if they have it, they can teach their students effectively. They want to have those kinds of things. So feedback was really the positive from the teachers of visually impaired, and then vision program directors, and then also from the Maryland School for the Blind.
Basically what these are sexual reproductive anatomical tactiles that we've been making. And so you can see that this is all fully in black, and the purpose for this was because students with visual impairment, they can see easier with the shadows that the light will cast down onto these tactile models. That's actually my dad. He gives me that creative freedom to do everything, and so we just kind of I do my own thing, and then he critiques me, and then I just go back to the drawing board, and then I fix everything that he wants me to fix.
Connection is important. Partnership is important. Without partnership and then connection and then feedback from the field study, you cannot create useful tool. That is a really key thing that you have to consider. I want every Duke project team or any student who want to apply for the Duke Campus Fund just to try it, because until you see the actual product or actual need, you do not know where to go. So trying is very important. That's what I learned.